Welcome back to my channel. So the first thing I want to do today is to show you how to copy files from your local machine to your cloud server. Okay, let's go. Here is our cloud server and we are using AWS as our cloud provider. So I have my cloud server here. Select your cloud server. Hit connect. Copy the command. Come to your terminal. CD to your keypair location. Mine is in the desktop. And then paste. Hit enter. Yes. And we're in. And then go to your root. Clear the screen. Okay, so here we are in our root our server, cloud server. So what we want to do here is to create a directory where we want our file to be copied into. So let's make a directory. Let's call it data inflow. Let's ls to check. Yeah, we have a data inflow there. And then let's cd into our data inflow. And then with ls, there's nothing there. Good. So let's check our absolute path. Great. Okay, so we're going to change ownership to EC2 user right at this present location. We'll do the same thing on the root location and then the root directory, and then we're done. So let's cd back to data inflow. Great. So we're done. So now the next thing we're going to do is to go to our local machine. So this is our local machine. This is the terminal, and then we can, let's cd into let's say my documents. So I'll cd into my documents, right? And let's make a directory, data storage, and then let's cd into data storage. That's ls, nothing is there. Let's make a file, right? Create a file. Let's call it data.txt, and then let's put something inside our file. So let's say great, command D. Oh, sorry. Control D. So we are done. Let's ls there. We have our data.txt, and let's cut it. Great. So this is it. So we'll clear the screen, and the next thing we're going to do is to bring our keypair to this very data storage directory, right? Because we're going to be using SSH to move the file. SSH protocol to move the file from the local machine to the cloud server. So let's go. My keypair is on my desktop, so let's cd to my desktop, and then let's check. Okay, that's my absolute path. So I'll copy this. Great, and I'll go back to my my data storage. Okay, great. So now I'm going to copy my keypair to this very location. So I'm done with that. If I ls, you see that my keypair is there. Clear the screen, and now I'm going to use secure copy to copy my file to EC2 user art. I'll come here and I'll take my public IP of the server, select the server. Here is my public IP address. Come back to my terminal and I'll paste it there, and on full column and root, that's the location where you want your your data to go to. So which is root slash data inflow, and that's this is the location in my cloud server, right? So I want this file to use the secure copy command to use my my SSH, that's my keypair, using my keypair to transfer this data to this location, to this server, and to this very directory. So let's go. Yeah, and it's done. So let's come back to our cloud server and let's check our data inflow. Let's ls. Yeah, we've got that. Let's cut the data file and let's see what's inside. Great. This is how to copy files from your local machine to your cloud server. I hope you like this. See you later.